This is the reader's impact. This is where you turn reading and learning into a cozy RPG. You don't just become a reader, you become a narrative, a citizen of Narraverse. You study at the Index of Narrative Knowledge, or Ink Academy. This is where you gain knowledge about the different worlds you might be transported to. You can get your dream job once you've accumulated enough knowledge and climb through the ranks to earn gold. Reading and learning is no longer just an assignment you have to do or a chore you have to get over with. The more lores you read, the more gears, characters, and potions you can buy from your shop. And now, you're geared up for the trial ahead. These trials can be fictional or real-life events that you struggle to overcome in your daily life. Once you conquer the trial, you get free items from your shop, and you earn one badge. Your badge is the ticket for your isekai journey, as well as your decision maker. With just one badge, you get isekai'd into a story equipped with the character you choose to embody. Let the system decide where your next world will be. The more worlds you explore, the stronger you become. This is a dashboard where you turn reading into progress you can actually see. Become a Narraverse citizen, where every book you finish counts as a world you've visited.